AI-powered PCs are set to dominate the market in the coming years. Driven by the increasing demand for AI capabilities across industries with advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and hardware efficiency, AI PCs are expected to revolutionize how we interact with technology, offering enhanced productivity, intelligent features, and seamless user experiences. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The floodgates have opened for PC manufacturers as the global demand for AI powered personal computers surges. With artificial intelligence driving advancements in both hardware and software, PC makers are positioned to capitalize on these technological revolutions. The Indian PC market, which has seen slow growth in recent quarters, is now poised for a significant shift, with the total addressable market expected to double over the next 5 years. A major driver of this growth will be the integration of artificial intelligence into personal computing. India's PC market, including desktops, notebooks, and workstations, shipped 3.07 million units in the first quarter of calendar year 2024, up 2.6% year on year, according to data from the International Data Corporation. With companies like Intel launching advanced AI processors such as the Intel Core Ultra 200V series, the groundwork has been laid for a new generation of computers that leverage AI for enhanced performance, power efficiency, and user personalization. AI PCs use artificial intelligence to elevate productivity, creativity, gaming, entertainment, security, and more. They house a neural processing unit alongside a central processing unit and graphics processing unit to handle AI tasks locally and more efficiently. HP expects at least 50% of all PCs to be artificial intelligence devices in the next 2 or 3 years, said a senior executive. Having launched its range of Copilot Plus laptops for commercial and consumer segments recently, HP is betting big on its AI PCs. The launch comes after HP's competitors, including Dell, Lenovo, and Asus, have launched their own Copilot Plus PCs earlier this month. The sales of AI PCs are expected to increase as this year's refresh recycle kicks in. By next year, 10% of all PCs sold are expected to be AI powered PCs, marking a significant shift in the industry. Within the next 2 or 3 years, this percentage is predicted to increase dramatically, reaching nearly 50%. This rapid adoption highlights the growing importance of AI in personal computing and reflects its integration into both consumer and enterprise markets. Let's look into today's headline. TCS and Google Cloud to launch AI-powered cybersecurity solutions. Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) has expanded its partnership with Google Cloud to offer two new cybersecurity solutions to customers. The partnership aims to strengthen cyber resilience for enterprises across industries and empower them with domain-focused innovation with cutting-edge technologies from TCS and Google Cloud. The development comes in the wake of the Indian tech giant launching a state of the art TCS Space Studio in Manila, Philippines, a week back. Banks to compile and maintain real time fraud list. In a bid to clamp down frauds, banks have compiled an extensive list of approximately 3,000 entities involved in fraudulent activities. This list, which will be shared and updated in real time, includes professionals such as lawyers, builders, and gold loan appraisers, among others, who are implicated in clouding to obtain loans through deceptive practices. The issue was discussed in a meeting with the Advisory Board for Banking and Financial Frauds last month. OpenAI co-founder Ilya Sutskever raises $1 billion for new AI startup. OpenAI co-founder and former chief scientist Ilya Sutskever has raised $1 billion in funding for his new artificial intelligence venture, Ceph Superintelligence. Based in Palo Alto, California and Tel Aviv, Israel, the company will look to develop AI with a strong focus on safety. Sutskever, who left OpenAI in May 2024, co-founded SSI with Gross, a former leader in Apple's AI and search efforts, and Daniel Levy, another ex-OpenAI employee. As Wall Street drops, Nvidia suffers record $279 billion loss in market valuation. In the deepest ever single day decline in market value for a US company, shares of Nvidia have plummeted 9.5%. Nvidia lost $279 billion in market capitalization, a major indication that investors are becoming more cautious about emerging AI technology that has fueled much of this year's stock market gains. The latest jitters about AI come after Nvidia last Wednesday gave a quarterly forecast that failed to meet the lofty expectations of investors who have driven a dizzying rally in its stock. Government launches Vishwasya blockchain technology stack to enhance digital trust and governance. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MeitY) has launched the Vishwasya blockchain technology stack, a framework offering blockchain as a service through a geographically distributed infrastructure. The new framework is introduced by MeitY Secretary S. Krishnan and aims to strengthen digital trust and service delivery. Along with the Vishwasya stack, MeitY also unveiled the NBF Lite platform, a lightweight blockchain designed for startups and academia, and Pramanik, a blockchain-enabled solution for verifying mobile app origin. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.